Do you know that? Each and every animal has their own sound that they produce it either with their mouth, nostrils, and wings. It will bring new excitement to the study of sound. Some list of animals and the sounds they produces. A screech is made by a bat. A growl is made by a bear. A grunt is made by a camel. A buzz is made by a bee. A mew is made by a cat. Meow is made by a cat. A mew is made by a cat. A cluck is made by a chicken. A cheep is made by a chick. Scream is made by a chimpanzee. A crow is made by a cock. A woof is made by a dog. A click is made by a dolphin. A bray is made by a donkey.
What's the matter?
A quack is made by a duck. A trumpet is made by an elephant. A yelp is made by a fox. A croak is made by a frog. A cackle is made by a goose. A bleat is made by a goat. A oink is made by a pig. A neigh is made by a horse. A snort is made by a horse. A whistle is made by a bird. A laugh is made by a hyena. A warble is made by a bird. A roar is made by a lion. A chatter is made by a monkey. A howl is made by a wolf. A hoot is made by an owl. A grunt is made by a pig.
Hola, amigo chico. ¿Cómo estás tú? ¿Se le desarrolló la voz? Sí, ay, Dios. Ay, está muy
A squeak is made by a rabbit. A gobble is made by a turkey. A bray is made by donkeys. A caw is made by a crow.
Will you honk like you just did? Hiya. Good morning, Mr. Beautiful Crow.
Thank you for watching our educational video about animal sounds. Don't forget to comment your opinion about animal sounds. For more of such videos about animals, please like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon in order to always get notified each time we upload a new
Honking
video.
Crow.